everybody, I'm just making a short video, and if you ask me, wait, what game is it? It's a new game on Roblox, and then you ask, I know that game, but how did you get in there? I'm gonna show you. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a snowboard and teleport to ski lift, and then I'm gonna show you the code. Everybody on YouTube, they're just like, oh, it's LBGH, but that was maybe in the old days because there came maybe a new code or something, and I know the code. My friend told me it. Really happy, but I'm gonna show you it, and I'm gonna write it in the comments too. Hope you're gonna like this video because yeah, and maybe I think I'm gonna make also the code for Ant Simulator. So yeah, the code is 8S49CZU. Enter and boom, you're in. I'll write in the comments if you didn't see the code, but I'll write it in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and bye.